A windy one today as we had top wind gusts reported between 40 and 50 miles per hour. But look at that at Dewey Beach. We had a 51 mile per hour wind gust reported at around 1 p.m. this afternoon. It's of course these winds that are bringing in some colder temperatures. Let's check in with those weather watchers. 48 degrees with Bob and Diane in Smyrna, 49 degrees with Connie and Greenwood, 52 degrees with Chucky and Lewis, 50 degrees with Joe and Bishopville and Curtis and Mary in Ocean Pines. Down to 51 degrees in Pocomoke City, likely dropping into the upper 30s later on tonight. With this cold northwesterly flow that's in place in the wake of this cold front that passed through earlier this morning. This is producing some lake effect snow showers into New York and Pennsylvania. We won't get into any of this, but it's this air mass that makes it so we're struggling to get out of the 40s all day tomorrow for those high temperatures. The next system in the pipeline for us is crossing through the mountains of the western United States. That's going to bring in some rain showers in here later Tuesday night into Wednesday morning before likely moving out here by the time we get to Wednesday, but going to be stuck with some of the lingering clouds that will be in place by then. So let's take a closer look with that on Futurecast. Monday, it's sunny, brisk, and breezy. Temperatures struggling to get out of the 40s, and the breeze is going to make it feel even colder than that. Tuesday, we'll see those clouds on the increase. This is 12 p.m. on Tuesday. Then into the evening and overnight, we'll see scattered rain showers invade the region. And pretty much all night on Tuesday into Wednesday morning, we'll see these waves of scattered showers push through, likely drying out by the time we get to Wednesday morning. But I think we're going to be left with some lingering clouds, likely more sun the further south you go throughout the day on Wednesday. Here's the wind gust map, by the way, for Monday. We're talking about wind gusts between 25 and 35 miles per hour coming in out of the northwest. So not as breezy as what we have been seeing for today, where we saw wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. But still, that breeze is going to be noticeable out there. So we do have a few marine statements for Monday. Gale warning for the Atlantic Ocean and the Delaware Bay, and then a small crowd advisory for the Chesapeake Bay. So we're going to see a gradual moderation of those temperatures, climbing through the 50s Wednesday into Thursday, and by Friday and beyond, likely seeing temperatures in the 60s for highs. It's definitely a cold look for the start of the week with this trough that's going to be pretty much in place across northeastern United States, but a bit more of a ridging pattern for the end of the week. So Friday and beyond, that's why we do expect that warm up. And again, Friday into the weekend, we do expect high temperatures to return into the 60s, but not with the nicest of weather. We'll see some lingering clouds and some shower chances as we go forward. You'll see that on the 70 forecast. Tonight, it's a brisk breeze with temperatures dropping into the upper 30s, so a seasonable chill for the time of the year. For tomorrow, it's going to be a chilly day with temperatures in the upper 40s and maybe a few lower 50s. We will have some very bright skies, but a bit breezy out there. Gusts, I'd say, between 25 and 35 miles per hour. The winds will die down for Tuesday, I will say that. Some increasing clouds with those rain showers moving through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then basically just partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the rest of the day on Wednesday. A slight chance for a passing rain shower on Thursday. Still kind of with a mostly cloudy sky. 64 degrees on Friday with a chance for a few showers Friday night into Saturday morning. And then going to Sunday, probably drying out, but still with a mixture of sunshine and clouds.